Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning in my classic size Happy Planner that I use as a memory keeper, basically, or journal, or a wellness journal, a tool to fulfill my life. How's that? So it is wearing one of our snap covers, and these covers snap closed and they hold your planner together so that you can take your planner with you and everything will stay put. So let's get to this week. Oop, we're not in October yet. Right here. And today is Thursday the 16th, so this is how the beginning of this week is shaping up. I think it's looking pretty good once it's got the writing in there. So let's take out the next week. And move this aside. Okay, now this week is my youngest daughter's 19th birthday, and she's away at college, but she is coming home this week. I have to pick her up on Friday, so we are going to decorate for that. And right off, I see that these colors are not colors I want to use. So she does like yellow, so maybe we can make this work. I pulled wrong out for some boxes because I know there's different color boxes in here. I have happy illustrations because I know there's some birthday balloons in here if I didn't use them all. Okay, oh, I got a few left. So if I go by those colors, I have pink, blue, and green. Well, the blue works. I should have got some wax paper. That would have helped too. I just pulled a few books because I didn't know what I wanted to do. This is a baby girl book, but I did use it last year. So maybe there was things we could turn into something this year. I really don't think these colors go much. And they have months instead of numbers. We don't have 19 either. We have 1 and 9. I mean, like there's this. Blues aren't too bad. And it does have kind of that goldish color. Maybe we can use some of those. Maybe we'll do that in some of these boxes. Let's do that. Yes. Okay, so we're going to use this, I think. The blue, there's no blue in here. Oh yeah, there's blue in here. I also pulled out Planner Babe, wondering if any of these colors would kind of go with it. I mean, I could use like the luggage and stuff, and I thought there was little birthday things in here. This is the mini, so it's kind of tiny, but I have the bigger one too. So let's see if that luggage is in here too. When we do a road trip, that would work because there's going to be one and a luggage. All right, so I have some ideas. So let's plan this out here. Okay, her actual birthday's on Thursday, so I'm going to use this blue balloon on Thursday. So I'm going to put this right here. I always have issues with getting this confetti where I want it to go. Because, you know, it's kind of straight, but then you want to make it curve. So what do you do? I'm going to start it out this way so that the blue's down here further, but then that might make it curve. Is it curved? Must be a little bit curved. So I can't do that unless I put it down here more on the page. See, I got to have room to write because I write memories in here. So I don't really want to start. Where's this going to go? I don't want to start it down farther and then not have any room to write on here. Help! Somebody help me. Oops, see, that's not going to reach if I do it like that. I want to make it reach across the page, so I guess I may need to start over a little more. It's going to come off here. Okay, if we start over here instead. And oh, look at it, made it just perfect. There's a little bit of blue on here. I have to put a different sticker on that. Okay, that worked. So then let's go to this time to celebrate, because I'm not picking her up till later in the day. We'll put it right there. Okay, let me stick this back in the book there. And what did we see in here? Oh yeah, we saw the road trip in the suitcase. So if I'm picking her up Friday, that's what our road trip's going to be. But I'm using all the space on Friday. So maybe I can put this should I put it there? But then it's going to, maybe I can just put it in here. And then I wanted the suitcase because she needs to pack. I'm gonna stick it over this blue little boo-boo there. Except I can't write down here. Let's try and make it go in between the days. Like that. See anything else on here? Take time for adventure. Okay, that's all I've got. What else do we do? We need some more decorations. Sure, she's probably going to be doing laundry. And I can put something on her birthday there for what color for cake? Orange. How about yellow? And I lost, oh, I got two others. Put this in here maybe, or we'll stick it right like that. Let's make it on the balloon though. I think that I'm going to send her like some kind of like boba tea or cookies or something from Grubhub. So we'll put that there to remind me to send that. What else do we have? Well, I wanted to put laundry, but we don't really have a color. We could use this green because it's in there. I'm sure she's going to have laundry to do when she comes home. So we'll kind of put that. I could like hang it from there. Well, let's put it here and see if that will work. I don't know. Or we can turn that into a balloon too, maybe. Should we do that? Should we turn these into balloons? And then give a little bow. Doesn't quite look like that bow. To color it in a little bit. There, we can turn this one into a balloon too. Alright, there, that's kind of cute. Let's see if we can keep the circle theme going. What's in here? Coffee date, weekend adventure, creature and sunshine, run all the errands. I'm going to need one of those in the beginning of the week. So what if we use kind of that pink color to bring some of that? These colors actually do go pretty well with this other book. We're going to have to do this here. I'm going to say this for Tuesday. So in the morning, I'm going to put it here. I wonder if there's another one that I could make a little bunch, you know. Oops. Or another circle. Sometimes I could use a disc or something. Let's wait to draw the string on that one. Or we could use Yummy Plans. We could do that. Put that with that. Another orange one. Kind of put this here. I would like to do things and oh, I tore it. Do we have another one? No. Oh man, I killed it. We're gonna have to use a different color. We'll have to use this green one in here. Stick that there. Well, let's turn these into balloons. Let's get going here because this planner should not take this long. Here's another circle I could use though. What other color? I wish we had some blue. This maybe more mustard. Mustard. Is it gonna look funny if I put that there? It's the same color as that one. It's kind of just okay. almost want to draw around these stickers just to emphasize it a little bit. There. Can do it around these two. This one doesn't have a black line. So Friday, I think Saturday will probably be our special meal. Well, unless we have it Friday, we could have it Friday. Just put that there. And then what other color for the next couple days? This pink color. Since it's soup, that one works like it. We'll put this pink one here. I don't know if she's staying for dinner on Sunday or not. So I think I'm just gonna put this one down here. Or I could do this. We'll make it share these 2 days. That way it won't be so matchy. There we go. Okay, what else? Here's more birthday. I could put a little Emily on there. That's her name. Oh yeah, I wanted to put a little box there to say what we end up doing for to surprise her at school. We're gonna send her something. Just gonna maybe put this over here. Holding it funny with the tweezers. That's okay. All right, yeah, let me see what we could put. Kind of want to stick this over here since we have that one there. It says good things happen to those who plan. I think that's cute. I'm just going to kind of stick it right here. And we hope it's straight. And it's not. Always turn your paper sideways. I think that helps. Okay. That kind of just balances off this one down here. Here, I can use this one. This can be to talk about what I ordered for her. So I think I'm going to stick this kind of just in the middle. Oops. Or maybe even down here. Kind of looks funny just like hanging out there. Maybe there's some more disc kind of things. Here, we can use one of these over here to balance it out. And this one doesn't want to come off the paper. See, I've tried before. Wow, none of these do. What's wrong with this page? Okay, we'll put this one over here. And I could use the really tiny discs and make her like she's holding balloons. So she could hold some balloons. So what color do we want? We want the yellow. Maybe we could use some bigger ones for, well, maybe we won't. Yellow, orange. Just kind of stagger them. The green. Of course, we don't have that other blue. Green. We could put that pink. I want to get some more up here. Should we do this kind of green? I want to put one right there. We could put a big one that has a cake on it. How about that? Let's do this orange one. Or should we do the lime green? Let's do the orange. And that one won't come off. Jeez. These stickers are getting old, and that's why they won't come off the page. I should put that one here. We're going to put it here. Okay, so let's see if we can draw lines from these to make it kind of look like she's holding them. And we have to put them like behind her. I don't know. That one's kind of jig-jaggy. I'm not sure. My pen doesn't want to write. I guess this big one's going to have to go behind there. Then we'll just kind of draw some little bitty bows on them. Yeah. Okay, and I know that I have, or maybe we can see if there's a couple little things in here just to tie these colors in real quick and then be done. I could put another, a little one of these, which has more blue in it. This one's got 2 blues. If it comes out of here. Come on. It's been so long since I've planned on on film. It's kind of hard to do again. To get into that habit. I'll put it down here. There. Okay, let's look really quick here. I'll put that right here for the weekly highlights. Here, and then maybe down here. A lighter orange. Just to fill it in a little bit. I want to put this on there, but I think that I want to see if I could put something over that, because we don't want it to say favorite person, but I could put this little blue flag over it. You know, something like, move it over a little more. Almost too big though. Don't know if I want to stick this on here or not. Not push it down all the way because it almost looks too big. Maybe that would fit over this instead. Layer it. Ooh, almost there. Right there. Okay. Okay, so there's nothing more in there. I brought wrong out like I said, and I didn't use that one. I don't think there's really, I was thinking of using some of the boxes in here, but you know, like these kind of things. I mean, I could, you know, like put this on here like this, just to make it look a little different. Need another small one like that. And of course we don't have one. Should have looked before I stuck it on there. Yeah, this color, I guess I could go darker orange, but what else do we have? So maybe we should take this one off. Put this blue one over here to bring some blue in this side. This is almost like too much over on this side. Maybe we'll just use the same color since it's too much. It'll maybe blend it in a little bit better. Again, turn it sideways to get it straight. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, I'm not even going to draw lines in here because it's going to be just too much. So that turned out all right with the using the circles as balloons. All right, so I used all these books. I used Wrong, I used Baby Girl, I used Planner Babe, using my page. I used Happy Illustrations. So there we go. For September 20th through the 26th in my classic size Happy Planner. Let's stick that back in here. And again, this was just my journal, memory keeper, things like that. So I'll just write down things every day that happened, just so I can remember what went on that week. Until next time, bye-bye.